I'm really fortunate. I get to go to trade shows in London and in New York and different parts of the world. And Howard did a great job of really building this trade show. And I think one of the great things, obviously, is because people can come from Chicago and they can come from New Jersey and there's snow on the ground maybe, or the weather's not so good, and they can tie together great dining, great hotels, perhaps Disney World, and they can tie that all together, business and pleasure, all in one. Having restaurants, bars, clubs, the convention center, the hotels, all in a reasonable proximity is a real plus, and not having to jump in taxis and buses and go all over the place to get from A to B. So I think it's just really convenient. And again, it's coming back to the city of Orlando. We like to have education, we like to have a trade show, we like to get together, but we also like to go in the bar, we like to party, we like to go to a nightclub, and we like to dance.